the water indicates that this is not a mountain stream. In fact, it's a mud flow. These tourists in the Andes risked their lives trying to use this shortcut, but luckily, they had time to react to the incoming flow of rocks. And from the ground, it looked even more terrifying. Sub-zero temperatures are rare in Baku, Azerbaijan. On this day, local divers weren't ready for the ice. And of course, no one had winter tires. Sometimes nature's fury is a response to human actions. That's what happened in Myanmar in 2024. The water reservoir at the top was used for water storage from jade mining, but an accident caused it to rupture, and the contents cascaded down the mountain, causing a terrible flood.